So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do AI roto in Foundry Nuke X. Or first time I tried AI rotoscoping basically in Foundry Nuke X. And we were starting this video as I usually say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA, BAJRANGBALI. Now let show me the first output. So here is the output. Actually it's a color overlay basically. This output I get using AI roto. Okay, I mean using AI to do rotoscopy in Nuke X. How I did it, so just let me show this. First of all, I'm going to take here the input and the output. So this output I have get, okay, but yes, obviously it's a low quality output. So I hope you guys are understanding how can I do this, right? So obviously let me show this. First of all, take this footage. Now I have taken some frame mode randomly. Just take some frame mode, okay? So like this, like one, then like this, take another frame mode, okay? So let me take all the frame mode. So see, I take all the frame mode here, okay, like this 1 2 3 and 4, right? Now what I will do to roto, basically I didn't take any roto node to do roto, okay? I used too much AI in this shot. Actually I tried too much AI, okay? So not only copycat, I also use in this shot modnet, the category modnet plugin, okay? Just go to the category and take the modnet, okay? Just search here modnet. So let me type here directly modnet, see, segmentation, okay? Now directly connect this one input, right? Now see, I get this output. Now here is I use this node, but I actually don't get some control to modify this, so I have to put this only, okay? Now like this only I copy all this frame mode, okay? I mean I copy this node in all this frame mode, okay? Oh, let me arrange little bit. So see, 1 and 2 3 and 4, I get this output, okay? Now what I will do, I will take here, I just duplicate all this frame mode and just paste it here and directly connect this to my footage. And one thing before that, just let me take here, just take me frame range and take here frame range. Now I just put this 1 and 1, okay? After taking all these things, what I will do, just select all the node and just take here appended clip node, okay? Now see, here is my appended clip, okay? Now copy this and also paste it here, or you can just select all this node and just take new appended clip, okay? After taking appended clip, here is my roto output and here is my footage. Now what I'll do, I will take here one sharpen node, okay? Thus I will take this red into alpha, so I'm getting red and plus alpha, right? So I have to take the alpha from the red channel, right? Now after this, okay, after done all these things, I will take here, I will type copycat, okay, here. Now input will be go in my this appended clip node where I haven't take any alpha, right? Now I will take this ground truth in my shuffle where I take the alpha. Now if I view this, okay, now see, there is some error is coming, so don't worry, this error is basically because of we have to modify the copycat setting. How we can modify? Just go to copycat here, just go to advanced, I take a new folder. Now come here, okay? After that, just batch size is auto, I do manual and I will give 4 less value, okay? I hope you guys are understanding. Now after this, just start training and also go to the progress setting, I mean the progress tab, just here log on the log scale and the live input update, sorry. So after then just wait for some time, let this complete. So I don't take this whole processing, okay? I don't go for the whole processing, let it be, okay? Here, so you guys can see, I mean my roto is how converting in all the frames, right? This is my input, this is my output, and this will be a final output, right? Now see how it's converting in all the frame, right? For now I am just crossing this, cancelling this because already I have done. Now let me come here. So see, I've taken some frame mode modnet, same here, and then after appended clip I take a shuffle and I then don't take a shuffle node here, I just give a copycat input, okay, and ground truth here. After this I got this interference. Now how can you create this? Just go to copycat, in the copycat tab, create interference, okay? So same like I just take this interference node and it's obviously it's a heavy node, okay? So it's taking too much time to roll, or if you guys have high spec machine then also it will take time. So now see, this is my output. Now one thing I need to tell, this is a low quality output, okay? I haven't take too much frame, okay? I put the batch size very low if you guys take the batch size high, then take, maybe you can guys try with a heavy size, okay, heavy batch size, higher number, okay. So just try with a heavy value, but I haven't take. Now after this I just write this render, okay, and here I have get, which I show before sometime, right? I have get this output. So now my opinion is in the short that okay, this roto is okay for now. Yes, some issue is coming. See here, if I go to the original footage, now see, it's covering the full frame, right, full area, but there is actually, we need a holdout right here. See, so see, this type of issue is coming in my roto. I don't think it will solve after giving a higher value also, because it's a AI after all. So this is the main problem of the AI. It doesn't catch every details, okay. It just give you a less output, I mean less quality output, not very high quality. It's give a almost 70 to 60% output to you guys in some shot, not every shot also, okay. Just in this shot I gave 50% output, right, and little bit will also cover here. See, here details is also covering, right. So no issue, it give me a better result, but not too much, right. So using AI for roto, it's not a mandatory thing, and in future also. So I hope it's a cool thing, but it's still need work, too much work, okay. So you guys smart enough to use heavy values, just try, okay. Use a higher value in the copycat, okay, and try it, okay. But I don't think it will replace rotoscopy manually, okay. We need manual rotoscopy too much, okay. Yes, this is a side tool we can which we can use basically, and also it's a time taking too much, okay. In my machine it takes 27 to 30 minutes, okay, around 40 minutes almost, okay. So I don't know, whatever, if you put the value, higher value, how much it will take, okay. So try it, this copycat and modinate together, okay. I think this tool is helpful for freelancer guys who do freelancer, okay. They have less time to deliver the shot, but in production I think copycat is still beyond our manual load, okay, because manual load is the main thing and main part of our VFX, okay. And in future also I think manual load, we have to do manual load actually, okay. So don't worry about AI, okay, but just do this thing, try this thing, experiment this thing, okay. So I hope you all guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, please share this video to others, and thank you. And before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Mama.